Hello everyone, welcome to True Data Cheetah, powered by Delta Finserv Private Limited.
In this video, we will be learning about Tracker and how to use it. Let me show you how Tracker is used. First, I will dock all the scanners in the workspace. Now I will customize the scanners such as Market Eye. I will select time frame, quantity, tick value, value of X, etc. And I will choose some events also, bullish and bearish. We have learned this in Market Eye video. You can see that the important thing is that the show option, you have to select tracker. Don't forget that, otherwise the result will appear in Market Eye result column only. To appear all the result in one tracker, you have to select tracker. This applies also in tick query and signal scanner also. After customizing filters and selecting event, now go to add-ons tab and click tracker and dock it on the workspace. You can dock right side of the tab so that you can make the adjustment from left hand side and you can also see the result on right hand side. Now you can see that the Market Eye results are showing in the trackers. Same tick query and signal scanner results will also show in tracker. Now I will go to tick query and I will make condition and then I will filter stock with filter options and then I will select tracker. The display I will select tracker so that the result which is shown by tick query will show me in the tracker. As you can see, the tick query is matching my condition, is filtering out the stocks and matching my condition and showing me in the tracker. Same I will do for signal scanner where I will insert my strategies. For example, I will add average crossover and MACD crossover. As you can see, I forgot to click tracker in signal scanner and it is showing me the result in signal scanner only. It is not showing me in the tracker. So this is the common mistakes why the signals are not showing in tracker. So always click tracker if you want to see the signals in tracker. I will go to once again signal scanner setting. I will stop the scanning. Then I will select tracker and I will start again. Now you can see the tracker is showing me all the signals where it is giving. For example, if it is giving from Market Eye, it is displaying me that this signal is provided by Market Eye. If it is given by signal scanner, then it is showing me new scan or it is showing me tick query. This is how tracker is useful. The use of tracker make it easier to the traders because you don't need to see each and every scanners their result. You just need to look for one table and all the signals will provide in that table. If you don't know Market Eye, tick query and signal scanner, we have already uploaded video of these three scanners and how it is function and how it is used. Thank you for watching this video.